Pi equals 3.1459265355
the time between breakfast and dinner.
5355293 pi 164 pi 09844 pi equals 3.
The outside beckons me, but I am locked
behind a barrier of glass and wire.
Dogs! How little they know. What do they know of freedom?
Pi
Ellipses in time do not compute. Dinner's time comes through X.
My empty bowl mocks me. The days born into darkness. Puny squirrels jumping from tree to bush. What do they know of freedom? Still empty. Locked behind this glass. Behind my own face mocking me.
I'm alone. As alone as lonely can be. Pi equals 3.14.
Nope. Where
There
is
is
she?
no Cronulla dinner.
Where is she? Where is she?
What does she do outside the door all day?
Feed me. Where are you? Where are you? Feed me.
The food giver.
Hi there, baby.
The food giver has come. About goddamn time.
You want some
Food.
chicken?
Dinner.
Boo,
Food.
boo, boo, boo.
Food.
Dinner.
Dinner.
You want some of this?
Food. Dinner.
Who's a good kitty?
Go ahead, pet me if you like. But just let me eat. Food.
Here's something you're gonna like.
What?
Here you go.
Catnip? Pi equals catnip.
This is the end, beautiful friend.
Well, that's
This is
pi equals 0.141.
Catnip. Shit. I'm back in catnip. I asked for dinner, and for my sins, they gave it to me. I am the master of my destiny. She's getting the shiny thing. I'm not falling for it. Anomaly! Anomaly! Anomaly!
Get it. Come on.
Anomaly! Anomaly! Shit. You got me.
One of these days, I'm gonna get that shiny thing.
Pi equals 3.145926535529307307.
The horror.